Hello and welcome to the MStar training session to see how to add the discount rule that have already been defined to a specific student. By doing this activity, that is associating a discount rule to a student, we will be able to see the auto calculation of discount in fee collection. So the manual calculation of discount, if a discount rule is already created, need not be done. In a separate session, we have already seen how to define a discount rule. In this session, we will see how to associate or how to attach a student to a discount rule which is already defined. So let us see the steps. We are already in the fee module, and before going to attaching or associating the discount category, let us first check the discount rule which is created. For this, we click on the business rules and we select the screen scholarship discount rules current year. These steps are only required for the purpose of this session, as we want to see that which discount rules have been created so that we can attach those discount rules to the student and see the impact in fee collection. So selecting the discount rule option, selecting a session, and so we are seeing that there are some discount rules which have already been created. For example, for 9th Blue, a staff child discount category has already been created for general category for tuition fee, and let us see the amount. So 50% of discount is applicable. So now if we associate this rule to any student who is of social class general and special category general and belongs to section 9th Blue, will get an automatic discount of 50% in tuition fee in fee collection. Let us see the steps to do the same. Clicking on the exit button from the screen. Also, before we go on to actually associate the discount category to a student, let us first go and check the fee collection record of a student and then associate the category to check the changes. So, we are selecting the fee collection screen and selecting the student in the fee collection screen in any session secondary, since the impact has to be seen in collection screen, and we already know that for collection screen the student bill book has to be generated. So ensure that the student bill book is generated so that we can see the changes of fee discount category association. So we have selected the session secondary and a class in the session and selecting any student. So it displays us the installments applicable to the student. We can see that it is the two installments are applicable where tuition fee has to be paid by the student in each of the installment, and currently there is no discount amount applicable to the student in any of these installments. Now let us go and associate the discount category to the student Ayush Bhardwaj of 9th Blue and come back and check the fee collection screen. So exiting from the fee collection screen, and to associate the discount category, we have to click on activities and select the screen student discount category. In this screen, we will associate the discount category that we have created and then go back and see the impact. So selecting the academic year, selecting session, since the student we saw is from secondary, selecting secondary session, and to select the student, we click on the button Find. When we click on button Find, a new window opens. So it will display the list of the students and we have to select a student. So we will select the student that we just saw in fee collection screen. So we are selecting the student Ayush Bhardwaj. To select a student, we just click on the name of the student and the details of the student appears on the main screen. Then we have to click on the box next to the fee discount category. In this, we will see the list of all the discount categories and we will select the discount category staff child, as we have checked that the discount rules have been created. So selecting the discount category staff child. In the next field, we have to enter date from. This is the starting date from which the discount will be applicable or is applicable to the selected student. If the discount has to be applicable from the start of the academic year, then we can enter the first date of the academic year or any other beginning date of an installment as applicable. So we're entering the start date of the academic year here. In the next field, date 2, this is the last date till when the discount is applicable. In case we want to apply the discount to the selected student for a limited period, then that date can be entered in this field. This field is optional, and in case we do not enter any date 2, then this would mean that the discount will remain applicable till indefinite period in the academic year. So after selecting the discount category and entering the date from, let us click on button Add, and we will see that a new row gets added showing us the discount category for the student. We can add more discount categories to the same student if applicable by selecting other discount category and entering the date from and clicking on Add button. After we have clicked on the Add button and the row has displayed, we have to click on button Save, and this gives us the confirmation message for data saving for the student. Now we know that the student has been associated to the discount category of staff child. Click OK on the data saving confirmation message, and this is how we have to associate the discount category. So let us add another discount category, selecting another discount category and making it applicable by entering the date from also, clicking on the Add button and clicking on Save button. So to this student, both staff child and EWS discount categories are applicable. We can repeat these steps for other students of all sessions and any other discount category as required. Now if we click on the Clear button and we want to retrieve and check the discount category, we will again select the academic year, selecting the session, clicking on the Find button again and selecting the same student. As the student details display on the screen, we will see that the discount categories as applicable to the student appear associated. If we have to delete a discount category, we double click on the discount category row. The details appear in the respective screens and we click on the button Remove. It will ask us for the confirmation of deletion. We can click on Yes and it will highlight the row for deletion and click on button Save. So we have deleted one of the discount categories that we added. Now let us go to the fee collection screen and check the impact of associating this discount category in fee collection. Clicking on the activities and selecting the screen Fee Collection Current Year again. Selecting the academic year, session, selecting class section and selecting the student name. If we have the student admission number, we can directly enter the student admission number and click on Enter. So now we see the 2 installments for the student. Let us expand the installments and we will see the discount amount getting applicable. Since the discount amount for the staff child category was 50% of tuition fee, we can see that in the discount amount column, it is automatically calculating 50% of the fee head amount tuition fee for both the installments. So now we don't have to do any manual calculation to make any discount applicable to any student if we have defined a discount category rule and we have associated a discount category to the student in MSTAR. We can proceed for fee collection as required. Clicking on Exit from the screen and we are back to the home page. So repeat the steps to associate the student categories to different students across various sessions and we can proceed with fee collection with the discounted amount. Thank you for watching this video.